How to import your W-2 into H&R Block. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the H&R Block website. Type in hrblock.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now over here, you will find this login section. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Type in username, email address or mobile number and then click on sign in. Now type in your password and click on sign in. Once logged in, start your 2024 tax return. If you have already started, just open your existing return. Now navigate to the W-2 section. Look for the section where you enter your income information. There should be a prompt for W-2 information. Choose to import your W-2. H&R Block allows you to import your W-2 electronically, which is faster and reduces the chance of errors. Now you will need to enter employer information. You can find this on your paper W-2, or you might have already it from previous years. If H&R Block can locate your W-2 electronically, you will be able to import it directly. Just follow the prompts to confirm your information. If the electronic import doesn't work, you can enter the information manually. Make sure to enter everything exactly as it appears on your W-2. Once imported or entered, review the information for accuracy. This includes your income, federal and state tax withholdings, and any other details on the W-2. And that's it. Importing your W-2 into H&R Block is that simple. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tax tips. Leave any questions in the comment below. Thank you.